If you're not living your life like this, you're not living.
Welcome.
What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. We are
Just doing something that makes us happy.
stepping up our snack game, making it portable.
We picked up some little craft boxes.
I think they're for hardware.
Hardware or little crafts. If you sew,
Anything.
you probably use this a lot. But there's this trend called Snackle
A
Boxes.
snackle box.
Basically like snacks in a tackle box.
Not really a tackle box, but you know what? This was a good size.
Yeah, and a lot of the Snackle boxes still look like this on the internet.
Yeah, we saw this on the internet. It's not an original idea.
So we're gonna make each other a Snackle box.
And you can see some of the snacks in the frame, but like, there's a lot actually.
Yeah.
And a lot of overlap, which
But there is a lot to fill.
no one is surprised. Yeah.
Honestly, it was bigger than I initially thought it was gonna be, even though you sent me the measurement. So, I'm here for it. Are you gonna put any dividers in yours? Or are you gonna, like, go, like, as you, I don't know.
I think I need some kind of visual map. I feel overwhelmed. I don't know.
No, I feel that. It is very overwhelming. But it doesn't feel, is there enough for each? There is enough for each piece. So I wasn't sure.
3.
Yeah,
6,
there's 12
yeah.
total dividers. Okay.
If I want maximum variety.
Like, I'm toying with starting with this.
Ooh, look at you. Oh.
I'm thinking all the dividers in, and we'll remove as needed.
Okay.
Because my thoughts are these two might be problems.
They're
Because
super
they're a little smaller.
You're right.
So it might depend on what goes in here,
Yeah,
and I
but look,
might
I got these
remove.
pistachios.
Oh, you brought pistachios.
And corn nuts.
And
I
corn
think they're
nuts.
ranch flavor.
Oh, I think I'm missing a snack. Hold on.
No, sorry.
Ranch flavored? Wait, are the ranch flavored ones vegan?
I'm pretty sure.
Chocolate covered pancakes.
Oh, too many.
Okay, oh my goodness. So many good snackies.
This is a lot.
So, I think my strategy is gonna go with like my main components and then add in some
What's
extras
considered
here
a
and there.
main?
My initial thought when I thought snack box is to make a charcuterie style thing.
I hope this would actually be. I read it.
Ooh, oh, those are so good. Okay, my initial thought when I thought of snack box was a charcuterie board.
Yeah.
So
same.
my main components are gonna be like the cheeses, the crackers, the olives, the berries, and then I'm gonna add in little dessert pieces and stuff, I think, and
Oh my
other little
gosh.
salty snacks.
That's really nice of you. I don't know. I'm
You're just going for
I'm
it.
just doing it.
Should we talk through as we're
Okay.
going, or just make
I don't
conversation?
know. I'm putting the pistachios and the corn nuts in the smallest slots. Non-negotiable.
Alright, you're so good.
Are they?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. We're just discovering snacks. Okay. Oh my god, this is really difficult. I think I need a cutting board.
Yeah, for the cheese, gotta cut the
Yeah.
cheese.
Do you want any of this cheese? I was thinking about cubing it, but I think I might slice it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we also have that one.
Yeah.
Which is essentially the same thing, right?
It's already sliced.
You make a good point.
You want to open this?
Oh.
I almost bought that one and then I went for this one.
See, I was avoiding sliced cheese because like I still couldn't wrap my head around the sizes.
Yeah.
So I was like, I think I'm gonna, because I thought initially I thought I was gonna cube it.
Yeah.
I feel like these snacks, like this is a big container of snacks.
Hell yeah, it is. We could probably share one. And it would be enough.
Probably, but the best thing is most of this can just pop right into the fridge.
That's right.
Wow. Do you have a strategy on where you're placing things?
I'm making it up as I go. But
Okay, cool.
yes and no. I just gotta go with the flow.
So
Otherwise
we have
I will
to
get
pick up olives for
paralyzed.
this?
Not at all. I was worried about getting anything that had like
Wet?
juice.
Yeah.
But I think olives
Fair.
are gonna be okay.
I got garlic stuffed olives.
Hell
The
yeah.
best olives. What?
Mini Triscuits!
What? No.
Right?
That's incredible.
They're so fun. Look at them.
Oh my god. What? Okay, don't buy regular Triscuits ever again.
Never again. Oh, they're perfection.
Oh my god, they're so cute. There we go.
Oh, this is so fun. Like, I want to make this as a lunch for work. Imagine.
This is how you bring a charcuterie board to work.
Yes! This is like an adult lunchable.
Okay, also,
Leveled up.
so Field Rose has deli meats now, and this one is mushroom and balsamic.
What now?
And I had to buy it because it felt
Yeah,
really
you have
fun.
to investigate that.
Yeah. I have no reason or rhyme to anything that I'm grabbing next. Do you?
Nope.
Whoa, there's like chunks of mushroom in it.
Whoa.
That's fun.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa, it's a fun flavor. I think I'd put this on a fancy charcuterie board.
I think so.
It's so interesting. It's like nothing I've ever tried before.
It's very intense.
Mm-hmm.
It smells so good.
Oh, I forgot.
That's right.
I haven't had Oreos in a long
Perfection.
time. All right, we got some raspberries in there. Wow, you're moving so fast and it's stressing me out.
Oh, how the turntables.
It's stressing me out so much. How confident you are.
I'm not.
It feels
Really?
like you are.
You're just putting more thought into
I don't think I am though. You want? I almost called these croutons and then almost called them crayons.
Sure, I'll take either.
What about cucumbers?
Not that excited for that, but okay.
I think some freshness is nice.
You're right. Yeah, I should put some in yours too.
It's all about the like flavor balance, you know?
Yeah. Can I use some of these?
Yeah. Imagine I was like, no.
It's what you get to eat, so I feel like you should say yes to everything.
Anything I want to eat.
Yes. Which I think is everything here.
Yeah, if I bought it, generally I
Could
thought
be
it was
wrong.
good. I think I should move the placement. Put it fresh up there already. Okay, better placement. Oh my god, Devin, I'm so stressed.
Don't be stressed. Here, I'll
Uh,
take some cucumbers.
Yeah, cucumber is so good.
Sometimes,
Cucumber's
do you ever
so
just like
good.
smell it and then want to put it on your eyes to just like relax for a bit?
Not really, but
Okay, maybe I should get that
I've
checked
never,
out.
I've never put cucumbers on my eyes before.
You need to.
Is it that good?
It feels so nice.
Where'd the mushroom deli bean go?
There.
Did
Oh,
I
is
put
it
it back
in
in
there?
the box? Oh, okay, I did.
Wow.
Honestly, I really like this because you just get little bits of everything.
Exactly.
It's the best way to snack.
You and I both like a lot of variety.
Yeah.
In everything.
Wow, yours is almost full already. What?
But see, I'm running out of spaces now.
Already. So now you have to be really
Selective.
selective about what you put in there. Oh my god, why is this so hard? Oh my god, I also don't think I'm doing a good job of divvying up color. Oh, I can't move that now.
You are thinking about it a lot.
I'm being very Devin about this.
What happened?
I don't know.
We're being opposites today?
Apparently. Though, I feel like it's a small amount of popcorn.
It is.
So maybe it's worse to have popcorn in here. Oh my god, I have no crackers in here.
No crackers. My hot dogs! Wait, did I even try this?
I don't think you did. You just smelled it.
Sounded about right.
Oh no, did you try it?
No, I
you
didn't. But it's all good. Look, it looks nice all cut up in the box.
Yeah.
What?
It's just funny though you said it.
Oh, look at you.
Isn't that fun?
I love it. If you're not living your life like this, you're not living. There's candy in
No,
this
actually
now.
though, I think this just stresses me out.
I've got 2 slots left. Who's it gonna be?
I don't know. Who's it gonna be? I think I might have cheated.
No, I like it.
Okay.
That's okay. That's creative thinking. Okay?
It is.
That's encouraged here.
okay, cool.
Oh,
What?
I was like, I don't have any chocolate. I have chocolate chip. Would you like this?
There's also chocolate chips.
I almost bought those for you, the mini ones.
What's on here? Not many.
Shut the front door.
What am I missing? I have 2 spots left too. Or you have 1 now.
I have 1 left.
Okay. What
Okay.
am I missing?
Oh, I don't have popcorn. I like the look of the popcorn in yours, so I feel like I want to add it. Okay, that's enough reason for me. Time. Just kidding.
What? I did catch up, kinda.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 more spot. What am I missing?
Oh!
Snack box is ready. This is our
I don't know if you'll even be able to tell what's going on here.
Should we open it?
That's really secure.
Right?
Ah! Wow.
All right, should we talk about what we put in our snack boxes, even though they're kind of the same?
Sure.
I'm actually curious what's different. I don't think there's much that's different.
The hot dog is different.
Yeah.
The chocolate
I
cranberries.
have those.
Oh.
The gummies are 2 different flavors.
Oh, okay, different flavored.
I don't have pepperoni in yours.
Yeah.
You put popcorn, the chocolate no-nos, oh-nos, whatever they're called.
And the corn
chips. Okay, so there's a little bit different. But that's fine. We made, honestly, it looks great.
I hope that we've inspired you.
Like the internet has inspired us.
Yes. To think about taking your snacks to go.
I think this is actually, imagine making this in the morning, bringing this to your computer, and you just have different snacks all day.
That's what I'm saying.
And then again, like anything you don't finish, you just pop in the fridge. And you have it for the next day.
And like if you're on a road trip,
This is fantastic.
this is like luxury. This is
Or
first
like,
class.
you're going on a picnic.
This is first class.
This is the best.
Wow.
Oh, I love this.
We've really spoiled ourselves today.
Okay, are we just gonna eat off camera?
Yeah,
it's not like
this is
we tried
not.
anything.
This is not a snackle box mukbang.
Yeah, this was just us making snacks.
Some assembly required.
Yeah, but
Worth
fun
it.
assembly.
Worth
I
it.
could have ever stressed a little bit.
A little bit. In the comments, tell us what snacks you would put in your snackle box, and
We're gonna eat these.
let us know if you tried this.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go eat this.
Mhm.
Thank you for watching.
Wait, we gotta exchange snack boxes.
Oh yes, sorry. Here you
So
go.
is yours?
Thank you. Woo!
All right.
Okay, we're gonna go. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share with somebody who loves snacks to go.
Yes.
Okay.